get it from you. And I get it. Oh, that was too easy. There it is. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. Can I have it? Can I have it? Let me have it. Let me have the ball. That's my ball. Let me have it. Can I have the ball? Let me have the ball. Look at you guarding the ball. Look at you guarding the ball. You're a goofy man. You're a goofy man. He's a manly man. Look how easy this was. Uh-oh, I got it. No, I don't think so. I don't think it's a horse, or no. Who's making that noise like, ah! Ah! Maybe it's a dog in pain, or maybe it's a drunk guy over there. What is that noise?
Is that an owl?
I don't know. Sounds weird.
It does sound weird.
We're trying to figure out what's making this noise. It's not doing it anymore.
Good boy when it comes to wiping your feet. That's what. Just go up top and see this one now. This one. There, a good boy. And this one? Yep. And this one? All right.
Okay, bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What was that noise we heard? Huh? What was that? What was that noise? Joey, where's your ball?
Go get the ball. Go get it.
Where's your ball, Joe? Go get your ball. Go get your ball.
That's not a ball, you retard.
Get your ball, Joey.
Here it is.